Hello everyone, Namaskar, Raj Krishna this side, and let's solve one more problem from inequalities. So this time we have a irrational inequality because square root term is there. So the approach to solve irrational inequality is a bit different. So let's see what different approach is there. Domain restriction is there. That means inside root we'll normally get an answer, but there will be some value which root will not accept. After putting those values inside root will become angry. Why? Because you know that square root of a number, let's say x, is always positive. So because square root of a number is a positive, so we'll have to take care of that, isn't it? So square root of a number output is also positive, and whatever we take inside that square root, that should always be positive. Output is positive, that is fine, but input is also positive. So first of all we'll take care of the domain restriction. Domain is basically the inputs which we take. So domain restrictions will say that put 3x minus 10 greater than equal to 0. Equal to 0 will also be fine, okay, because under root of 0 is 0, but value should be either 0 or greater than equal to 0. Now from here we are getting x greater than equal to 10 by 3. This was for the first root, but we have another root. So this was the first condition. Second will be 6 minus x should also be greater than equal to 0. So this gives 6 is greater than equal to x, or x is less than equal to 6. Fine. So first domain restriction gave us this. We'll take care of these 2 points while representing our final answer. Now coming back to our problem, because I told you that this will give you a positive thing, so LHS is sure short positive and RHS is also positive. So if a positive thing is greater than a positive thing, then on squaring again there will be no problem, because on squaring also LHS will obviously be greater than RHS. Let's say positive, we have 2 greater than 1. So after squaring also 4 is greater than 1 only. Fine. So if both sides we have positive quantity, then squaring we don't have to think much. So let's square both sides. So we'll get 3x minus 10 greater than 6 minus x. Take x to the other side. So 4x greater than 16, x greater than 4. So this is the third condition. The number line will be interesting in this case, unlike what we have been doing from a long time now. So we'll use different colors while drawing our number line. So this is how our number line looks. Now first of all let's plot the points. So points are what will be the points which we'll be considering? This is saying that it should be greater than 4. So here we have 4. So it is saying it should be greater than 4. So let's draw it like this. This is plus infinity and this is minus infinity. This is one answer, but we also, this is the third point, but we also have to take care of first and second point. First says that it should be greater than equal to 10 by 3. 10 by 3 somewhat greater than 3, so it will come lie somewhere here. So this is 10 by 3, so it is saying it is greater than equal to 10 by 3. So it goes like this. Okay, yes, it is going till infinity. Now the third one is saying it is less than equal to 6. So we have 6 here, somewhat here. Okay, so the third one is saying, I would have drawn this with different color, that would have been better to understand. So let's use different colors. So this is 10 by 3, so greater than equal to 10 by 3. And the third one which is there is 6, so it is less than equal to 6. So okay, now we'll have to take the common reason, and I think the common reason is this. Okay, if you look at this reason, this is the common reason, because in this reason all three of them are happy, because this is greater than 4 also, less than 6 also, and greater than 10 by 3 also. And what is that reason? The reason is, look, in 4 x greater than 4 we don't have a equality, so we'll not include 4. So better take an open or hollow circle. But yes, 6 and this 10 by 3 is to be included if needed. So because we are in this region, so the final answer which we'll write is x belongs to 4 open bracket and it is going till 6. This is our required portion. So 4 to 6 and 6 they are saying include it, because it is saying equality is there. So this is our final answer. So you saw that we'll have to take care of these 3 points while telling our answer, and answer will be the common interval of these all 3. So interesting one. Let's see how many problems we can do of this type. But this was the beginning of this. So while solving a irrational equality, we'll have to see domain restriction, and in further cases the question which I will take further, you can't square both side, you will have to take care of something at that point also. But for this question, because both sides were positive, then squaring again they will be positive only. Okay, so we don't have to think of that in this question, but further in next few problem we'll have to think of that also. That's it for today. Do share this to your friend and watch out the playlist of inequality for more such problems. Thanks again.